In a quiet Indian village, Krishna was just an ordinary college boy until one fateful night. He heard a massive sound and woke up suddenly in his bed. He cautiously approached his dusty storeroom. Inside, a mysterious metallic sphere pulsed with an otherworldly glow, and a robotic voice echoed, "System activated. Place on check." The moment Krishna pressed the sphere to his heart, liquid armor surged across his body, locking into a state-of-the-art combat suit as a high-tech visor snapped over his eyes. Stepping out into the cool night air, he commanded, "Initiate flight mode," and blasted into the sky, tearing through the clouds in a thrilling aerial dance. But the adrenaline rush was abruptly cut short when a sudden battery depleted warning flashed, sending him plummeting back to Earth. Bracing for impact, he crash-landed safely onto an old discarded mattress in his backyard. As the futuristic armor dissolved back into a simple, quiet sphere, Krishna dusted himself off, hid the extraordinary device in his bedroom cupboard, and went right back to sleep.